at the home where we assume, and in this case we were right in assuming so, that they were made. So the bomb squad...
Kitty, get out of there. Come on.
In searching these...
Come on, do it. Yeah. Come on, you can do it.
Evacuated during the search.
No, do your little noises. Do your words, Evan. Say your words. Come on. Da. Come on. You can do it. Come on, Evan. Say your words. No. You're not going to do it for Mommy? Da. Come on.
How sophisticated these devices are. That part of the investigation is ongoing this morning. The house here on Burr remains taped off. Fremont police are still investigating. The car does remain in custody this morning, and San Jose police say they're...
Da. Come on.
In Fremont, Putting Wong, KTVU, Hamilton News.
4 minutes after 6 o'clock, police in Livermore are asking for the public's help in an unsolved murder case now that they've named the teenage victim's own mother and a male friend of hers as, quote, persons of interest in the case. 15-year-old Kayla Reed was reported missing by her mother back in December of 2005. Reed's body was found a month later in a canal near Tracy. Investigators say Reed's mother, Angel Sheets, and her mother's friend, Dennis Murphy, were the last two people to see the 15-year-old alive.
Kitty, get down. Come on.
Together at Sheets' Livermore home the night Kayla disappeared, but police say they have given conflicting
Yay! Yay! That was good. Smile for the camera because we're going to send this to Grandpa. Say smile! Hey, hi, Grandpa! We'll send it to Grandma too, but Grandpa's far away. There we go.